Something that has plagued society is that we have too many copycat startups or projects that don't push society forward. Many people have been driven by greed or clout over impact, when in reality being driven by impact can be just as profitable. Society has been over-engineering the simplest things, from having wireless toothbrushes to needing to be reminded when you're in a relationship. Reputable venture capital firms have been funding things that don't really fulfill a purpose, just because it seems like it can make a quick buck. Digital CPR doesn't want to be a typical firm. Digital CPR wants to operate differently. People should be driven by impact and the innovation. We should be on a mission to look for big ideas worth noticing. Society needs to find that mad person who thinks they can push humanity forward and light up the world with a beautiful mind. How can we protect the environment? What about solving food waste? How about exploring the universe? What technology can light up this world? How can we impact low-income communities? How do we impact modern medicine? How about solving the mental health crisis? Good technology can inspire people. People can look up to the sky and be inspired to dream again. Digital CPR's mission is simple. Take risk on ideas that might be worth taking risks on. This is Digital CPR's mission as a firm. How can we impact people if we allow them to dare to dream again?